Surprise! Bose has just officially revealed the second generation QuietComfort Ultra Headphones. We don't have them in hand just yet, but since we're in Canada, we'll get our hands on them by next week. Keep in mind though, that they don't go on sale in the United States until early October. From what we're able to see, most of the updates are pretty incremental. They don't quite deliver everything we hope to see, but there are a few key new features to get excited about. First off, USB-C audio. At last. One of our biggest complaints about the original QC Ultra headphones was their lack of support for lossless USB-C. But these new headphones can now deliver 16-bit 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz audio directly from compatible devices, making this a crucial feature for users who prioritize wired playback. Bose has also added a new cinema mode, a tweak to its immersive audio feature that promises to improve dialogue clarity by projecting sound forward. Now, we found that the immersive mode on the original QC Ultra headphones hurt the audio quality quite a bit, causing some channel imbalances, so we hope this new mode will be just a bit more enjoyable. Connectivity remains consistent, with Bluetooth 5.4, multi-point pairing, aptX adaptive support, and Spotify Tap integration. Other core features appear to remain mostly unchanged, with only minor updates. For instance, you get ANC through 10 internal and external microphones, as well as an improved version of adaptive ANC, which Bose calls ActiveSense. This feature is designed to more effectively respond to sudden spikes of noise. Bose's custom tune also returns, which adjusts playback in real time based on each listener's ear shape and environmental noise. Battery life is also similar, up to 30 hours or 27 with immersive audio enabled. That's 3 hours more than the first generation. Users can also quick charge for 3 hours of playback in just 15 minutes. And for the first time, you can listen to the headphones while they're charging over USB-C. There's also a whole suite of small quality of life improvements, including a new on-head detection system which can now reliably power the headphones on or off without pressing the power button. Basically, it incorporates a form of spatial audio, allowing the music to adapt to your orientation. Now, in our testing, we found that this head tracking system on the older models couldn't quite keep up with rapid head movements, so we're excited to see how these have improved. Additionally, a new passive disconnect feature lets you simply lay the headphones flat to end the Bluetooth connection and enter a low-power standby mode that can reportedly last for months. That means there's no more forgetting to power off your headphones and coming back to a drained battery. The new QuietComfort Ultras can recognize when you put them on or set them down, allowing you to conserve battery life. But there were a few things we were hoping to see that Bose didn't quite step up to the plate for. For one, the Bose Music app only includes a basic 3-band EQ. It lacks frequency-specific fine-tuning. We've been waiting for Bose to provide a more comprehensive EQ system for years, so this is a bit of a bummer. Now, the design is still lightweight at 583 grams, with plush ear cups and a faux leather headband. However, there's still no IP rating, meaning that these still aren't the most ideal headphones to bring with you to the gym or out with you on a rainy day. So, well, how much are these things gonna cost? Well, at $449 MSRP, these are just a modest step up from the older QuietComfort Ultra headphones. That said, that is still a little expensive, especially considering the lack of an IP rating, advanced EQ settings, and only marginally improved battery life. It's going to be interesting to see how these will stack up to recent flagships like the Sony WH-1000 XM6s, as well as their more affordable counterparts like the Anker Soundcore Space Ones. What do you think of Bose's new headphones? Are you excited to get your hands on them? We can't wait to test them out in our lab. Stay tuned for our full review on SoundGuys.com. Also, make sure to check out our full review of the first generation QuietComfort Ultras right over here. And if you're in the mood for more Bose, check out our review of the QuietComfort earbuds just over here. Until next time, thanks for watching, buds. I'll see you in the next one.